Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. The multinational electronics company Xiaomi is hiring for graphic designer intern in India. So we'll be seeing all the details regarding this internship at Xiaomi, whether it's Xiaomi or Xiaomi. How you will pronounce it, just leave that in the comment section. I call it as Xiaomi, and my friend called this as Xiaomi. I just want to know how you will pronounce that. So we'll be seeing all the details regarding this internship, and I'll also show you how you can apply for this internship, and I also provide some free resources with which you can develop your graphic design skills. So we'll see everything. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So let's get into the internship details now. So for this graphic designer internship at Xiaomi, you will need some skill sets to get into it. So first, let us see about that. So you should need some basic knowledge of layouts, typography, color, and other graphic design fundamentals. And you should have a good knowledge of design applications such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects. And if you know any other design software, it's well and good. You are welcome to apply for this graphic designer intern at Xiaomi. And you should have some excellent interpersonal skills, and you should have that ability to build and maintain good working relationship with others. And if you have a compelling portfolio of graphic design, which is nothing but the professional work, that is what they are calling as portfolio. If you have done any professional work in the field of graphic design, then you will have a better chance over others. So these are the skill sets that are required to get into this graphic designer intern at Xiaomi. So now we have seen the skill set that you need to get into this internship. If you want to learn graphic design, I'll tell you some resources now. So first, let's see this one here. So LinkedIn is offering free graphic design courses for which you can also get a free certificate after completing it. So there are 11 free courses through which you can learn a lot of things about graphic design. I'll tell you what are the courses that those are. So what is graphic design? Graphic design carries first steps. Introduction to graphic design is available for you, on graphic design foundations, layout and composition. Typography course is available for you, on color for design and art. And these are just foundational courses. Here comes the real part. So you have InDesign 2021 essential training. So the duration of this course is 5 hours. So you will learn a lot of things about it. On Photoshop 2021 essential training, and the duration is 6.5 hours. On Illustrator 2021 essential training, and you have creative collaboration and color trends. So these are the 11 courses through which you can learn graphic design for free of cost in LinkedIn Learning. You can just click on this enroll for free and enroll in any course that you like. So this is the free resource. If you want to get a paid one, I'll tell about this one here in Edonics. So Edonics offers this graphic design tools for professionals, which has a very good rating of 4.2, and this is one of the best selling course bundle in Edonics. So if you see here, 5 courses are all together in this one bundle: Photoshop CC, Premiere Pro, After Effects, video production course, and Adobe InDesign. So everything will be covered in this one particular bundle, and the price is given as 1200 rupees. But if you use the coupon BSSIN10, you will get a discount of 10%. You can use that as well. And the next resource is graphic design specialization in Coursera, which is offered by the California Institute of Arts. And in this specialization, 5 courses are covered: fundamentals of graphic design, introduction to typography, introduction to image making, ideas from the history of graphic design, brand new brand. So you have 5 courses in this one specialization. And if you see here, you can look into the duration and the level. Everything will be given here, and what are the skills that you will be gaining will also be listed here, and what you will be learning. So everything will be given here. If you are interested in getting this graphic design specialization, you can also get this. You can just purchase this, or else you can use your financial aid option and get this graphic design specialization for free of cost. So these are the resources available for you to learn graphic design. So now let us get into this internship details. So for this graphic designer internship role, if you get selected, you will have some day-to-day responsibilities, which will include producing high quality banners and social media posts for the MIUI system apps, which is nothing but you might have seen some images or some short videos, banners in their official Instagram or Facebook profile. So if you get into this graphic designer internship, you have that opportunity to design that as well, and you will be creating design elements like icons, illustrations, and some creative elements here and that. So you will have that opportunity as well, and you will create short animation videos for Xiaomi, and you have to submit your work to your supervisor or senior, whatever you call it. So you have to submit it to them. I mean, you have to submit your work to them, and they will give you a feedback, and then you have to make corrective measures in the work which you have done. So this is how your day-to-day responsibilities will be in this internship program. So now we have seen all the details regarding this graphic designer internship role at Xiaomi. And before we see how to apply for this internship, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. So now let's see how to apply for this internship program. So just click on apply now. And one more thing, I forgot to say this, so let me tell you about that. So experience is given as 0 to 1. So even if you do not have any experience, you can just give it a try. If you have a good experience, I mean, if you have a good knowledge in this field, you will still get into this internship program. And the location is given as Bangalore, but it's not the situation now. We all know that you might be working from home as of now, but once the situation gets normal, you might be required to go to Bangalore and work there. So just click on this apply now button to apply for this internship program, and here you have to fill in your details like your first name, last name. You have to provide your email address, and then you have to give all the details here like your gender, city, phone number, and then you have to upload your resume here. So upload it properly, and then give your date of birth, and notice period is for those who are already working, and father's name and all other details. Just give all the details which are required here, and once you are done with all these things, you can just click on this submit application, and before that just check this box as well. So this is how you need to apply for this internship program at Xiaomi for this graphic designer intern role. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more internship updates like this, you can subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And do not forget to connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.